You have to try this protein sandwich. Cut the bread in half. Add 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Cut the chicken breast into cubes and season it. In a bowl, add the chicken, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, honey, pomegranate sauce, and olive oil. Mix well and cook. Chop the lettuce, then slice the tomato, onion. Heat the bread with the cheddar cheese, then add the lettuce, tomato, onion, corn, and the cooked chicken. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, salt, basil, lemon juice, and finely chopped pickles. Mix well and add the sauce to the sandwich.